We are pleased to show you the 2020 Leaf. The Nissan Leaf, or leading, environmentally friendly, affordable family car, is an electric car you can truly feel good about driving. Zero emissions plus zero gasoline equal more green on the road and more green in your wallet. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, FWD, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, four-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers, smart device integration, keyless entry. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.